Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to disable pop-up memories notifications on Snapchat using the updated settings layout. If you're tired of Snapchat interrupting you with memory alerts popping up on your screen, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is not inside the Snapchat app, so make sure you're going to your device settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. This will open a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. You'll now see all the app-specific settings available for Snapchat. From here, tap on Notifications. This section controls how Snapchat sends alerts to your device. Now look for Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications, including messages, stories, and memories. Scroll through the list until you find Memories, then tap on it. Inside the Memories notification settings, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the toggle labeled Show as Pop-up. Simply turn this option off. Once disabled, Snapchat will no longer display memories as pop-up notifications on your screen.